Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Serge Talatinian. Today I will make pasta with mushroom. Simple, easy. I hope you enjoy it. Tonight I'm going to make what I call cleaning the fridge. That means leftover stuff I have from the day before or max 2 days before. So I have some mushrooms from 2 days before actually, some parsley from yesterday, and I just took 2 garlic. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make a simple pasta with mushroom, parsley, and garlic. As some of you already know, I do not chop the parsley. I prefer to put it in a cup and to cut it with a scissor. That way I keep all the juices. Very simple. And since I don't want my parsley too thin, so I'm not going to cut them too much. Et voilà. Now my parsley is chopped just the way I would like it. When it comes to the garlic, as I showed you with my last video, I prefer to just mash them in the garlic presser than chopping them. Result is the same for my purpose and much less work for a lazy guy like me. Job done. To add to the leftover dinner, I had some open tagliatelle nido. Nido in Italian means nest, like a bird nest. That's why they call it nido, I presume. So tonight dinner is tagliatelle with mushroom, parsley, and garlic. We're starting our cooking. I use extra virgin olive oil, and I already put the salt in advance. And yes, it's a lot of salt. I personally prefer to put it in advance so it boils, dissolves, then put it at the end. And they always say you should cook pasta like you're cooking it in sea salt, so good amount of salt. We're going to start by putting some extra virgin olive oil, and we add the garlic. I don't want them to be over burned, so just a little bit. And now I'm going to toss in the mushrooms immediately. Some salt. And pepper. I added the tagliatelle. Now my mushrooms are ready. I'm going to add my parsley. Wow, the smell of it. Heavy frying pan. Oh la la, the smell. If today they can put smell on videos. Mushrooms are ready. Tagliatelle are almost ready. I cook them for 7 minutes usually, but you can look at the package. The pasta is ready. I'm going to just pour it directly with some of its water. Now everything is well mixed. Et voila, pasta is served. And here we have the final result.